Hey, girl, wait, before you spend another dollar on a lace wig that looks good online but just meh in real life breathing, you need to see this. I got you covered with the top 13 X4 lace front wigs you should buy, and trust me, this is the real guide every girl needs, okay? Hey, boo. Welcome back to the channel if you're new here. I'm Jennifer Angular, your go-to girl for all things beauty, wigs, and just looking like that girl, okay? So, today we're talking about something super important. 13X4 lace front wigs. Whew, I get asked about these all the time. Like, girl, which one actually looks natural? What's beginner? Friendly? Is it gonna melt into my skin or nah? And I feel you. I've been there buying wigs that looked bomb in the photos, but when they showed up, baby, no. So today, I'm breaking down my top picks like real reviews, what to look for, what to skip, and how to get that flawless install without the stress. Number 1 is a game changer, so don't miss number 1. All the product link in the description. So, if you're looking for best human hair wigs, stick around. I have a $15 off with free shipping discount code available, link in description or visit cutpromo.com. Let's dive in. Number 5, synthetic lace front wigs, natural color. Okay, so let's talk facts. Synthetic wigs used to get a bad rap like stiff, shiny, helmet vibe psychs. But in 2025, Baby synthetic wigs are stepping up. You can get a lace front that looks natural, lays flat, has a pre-plucked hairline and comes in natural colors that match our skin tones. Yes, please. This wig right here? It's synthetic. Yeah, but it gives a natural black color. And girl, the shine is actually low luster. Like, it doesn't have that fake plasticky look at all. Plus, it's 13x4 lace, which means you get more parting space. It's not just that tiny T-part situation. You can move the part around and make it look like it's growing out your scalp. And the lace? It's soft. It's not scratching up your forehead like old school wigs. Okay, so real moment when I first put it on, I was like, wait, is this gonna blend? And then I melted it down with just got 2B and a lil powder. Girl, it disappeared. And I'm not a pro stylist or anything. Like if I can make it look good with my 2 left hands, you definitely can. Number 4, layered body wave synthetic glueless wigs. All right, let's get into it. I found this layered body wave synthetic glueless wig on Amazon Lem, show y'all. So I got this one by a brand called Sis Grace. And y'all, first of all, the layers? Like? She's got dimension. She's got movement. This is not one of those flat, lifeless wigs. And the body wave is so soft-like, I thought it was gonna feel crunchy, but nope. It's giving soft glam, beachy curls, date night hair. Okay, so the first time I put it on, I was like, is this gonna sit right on my head or slide off? But it's glueless, and it comes with the adjustable straps and combs, so like, it just fit. No glue, no stress. And I didn't even pluck anything, nothing. That hairline was pre-done, and it looked so freaking natural after I added just a little powder. It's not that fake, jet black, plasticky mess. It blends so well with my skin. Makes it look expensive. No glue, no stress, no drama. It's synthetic, so like, don't expect to dye it or curl it with your flat iron, okay? It says it's heat resistant, but I wouldn't go wild with the heat. Keep it chill. Number 3, brown synthetic lace front wig. So this is from a brand called Comb and Girl, this lace front is giving. It's a 13x4, which means you actually get some space to part and play around. It's not one of those tiny, stiff lace patches. And the color? This brown with the highlights? It's literally perfect. Not too orange, not too ashy. It just gives like warmth, softness, like expensive energy. Okay, so let me be real. When I first opened it, I was like, is this gonna be too shiny? You know how synthetic wigs can get. But once I ran my fingers through it, added a little dry shampoo, it toned it right down and looked super natural. I didn't even have to glue it down, y'all. Like, I just popped it on, adjusted the straps in the back, and boom, I was feeling myself. Okay, so because it's synthetic, it will tangle a little, especially at the nape. Just keep a wide tooth comb with you, and don't sleep in it, sis. And don't try to curl it with high heat. Low heat only. Trust me, I learned the hard way with a crispy wig moment once. Number 2, HAIRCUBE 13x6 HD synthetic lace front wig. Okay, let's talk about this unit. It's a 13x6 lace front, which means you get hella parting space. Like, I could do a middle part one day, switch to a deep side part the next, and it still looks good. And y'all, the lace? It's HD. I'm talking melt into. Your skin type lace. I didn't even have to work that hard. And it blended beautifully. So the one I got is in this chestnut brown kind of shade, and girl, it's giving soft fall vibes, even though it's summer. Like, it's just so pretty. Not too orange, not too dark. Just that perfect brown that flatters every skin tone. Now, installing this? Super beginner. Friendly. No glue needed. I just cut the lace, added some powder to the part, and that's it. Like, I literally wore it to run errands and someone was like, "Oh my gosh, your hair is so cute." Is that your real hair? Okay, so. It is synthetic. So after a few wears, you will get a little tangling at the nape. But that's normal, just detangle gently and don't sleep in it. Also, don't go wild with heat. Use a low temp if you want to style it. Pro tip: spray some dry shampoo or a mix of water plus fabric softener if it starts feeling dry or stiff. And always store her on a wig stand, don't just throw her on the chair, okay? Number 1. Arabella Glueless Lace, Front Wigs Human Hair. So let's talk about it. This wig is 100% human hair, yes. Real hair, so the movement is just... Ugh, flawless. It's soft, super silky, and the texture? Like, I didn't even need to do much. She came out the box ready. It's got a 13x4 lace front, so you get all this room to part your hair how you want. Middle part, side part, messy bun, whatever you're feeling that day. Now here's where I got a little emotional. Not even gonna lie. I've worn a lot of wigs, okay? But this one? The hairline is pre-plucked. The lace is soft. And I didn't even need glue. I'm talking. Throw her on. Adjust the strap. Fluff her out. Done. No meltdown moments. No trying to find your edge brush at 2 a.m. It's actually glueless. It's breathable and comfy even in summer heat. The quality? Y'all? It looks like I just stepped out of a salon. Period. Plus, it holds curls really well. I used a wand curler on 350 degrees and it didn't fry or frizz. Also, if you're expecting crazy volume straight out the box, you might want to fluff it a bit or use a blow dryer on cool. But other than that, she's serving. I've made some mistakes, y'all. Like, I've bought wigs that looked so cute on the model and then on me. It was giving Halloween. But you don't have to go through that. I did the research so you don't have torso. You can feel confident, cute, and camera ready every single day. So, which wig are you adding to your cart? Drop it in the comments. I'll be replying and giving you my honest thoughts too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell because you do not want to miss my next video, where I'm showing how to install one of these wigs step by step, even if you're a beginner. All right, loves. Thanks for watching, Mua. Stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next one.